Hey guys, this is Ravant from Varts Technologies. We are here at Eastern Video Expo in New Brunswick, New Jersey. I want to give you guys a quick tour of our booth, but just to tell you a little bit about the show, it's a nice trade show set up focused on PEG stations, public access, educational environments, and broadcasters, everybody in between. So we've got a nice booth set up with a lot of really cool gear. We're showing LiveU, we're showing NewTek. So let's walk over, let's take a look at the booth and see what we got going on. So come on, Chris, let's head over, see what we're doing. We've got almost 40 vendors here today, and we've got a nice setup over here. So let's check it out. All right. So we're showing LiveU over here on the LiveU booth. We're streaming right now, actually, with a LiveU device. It's actually LU Smart. It's running off of a Samsung phone. We're streaming live, utilizing that application and an LU 2000 server. So, taking a look, LiveU is a company that is the leader in cellular bonding technology. And so there are backpacks, belt packs that have cellular modems built into them. So we're looking at the brand new LU300 here. It's got the ability to encode using HEVC, which is H.265. It's got multiple carriers built into it. Gives us the ability to transmit anywhere in the world back to our control room, or in this case, what we're doing is we're going live to social media. So Facebook, YouTube, Periscope, anywhere you might want to stream to. So you've got the LU300 we're showing off over here, brand new unit. Take SDI, HDMI in. It can do up to 1080p 60. Multiple carriers, dual SIMs, so you can take it roaming anywhere around the world if you choose to. We've got the 300. We also have the LU600 here. This is a 7 modem model. It's got 7 carrier modems built into it. We have a full, nice big touch screen set up over here, which we can go through the different capabilities and the settings of the unit. And again, this we can wear on our as a backpack, take it out into the field, and who needs a satellite truck anymore? We can broadcast anywhere with a professional camera or even semi-professional camera. As long as it's got HDMI or SDI, we can take it into the LU600 or LU300 and broadcast. So we've got, again, the full product line set up over here for LiveU. And now let's go NewTek. So we've got a lot of really cool stuff, so let's go take a look over here as well.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, good. We're actually live right now. We're showing off some of the equipment. So we're talking NewTek over here. So we're showing off the VMC1. We're showing off the TC1, premium access, a lot of the new features talked about at NAB. We've got NDI working in the booth right now from end to end, all the way from the camera to the output. We've got NDI. We're not using SDI to interconnect any of our production systems. It's all over our network. So let's start with the systems. So let's take a look. We've got the TC1 here in the rack. Nice brand new TriCaster TC1. We've got the VMC1, which is a 44 input 4K production broadcast system. We've got the NC1 IO, which is an 8-channel IO device. We've got the TalkShow VS4000, which is a Skype system, which we're showing. 3Play 3P1, which is a instant replay slow motion device, all set up in our rack over here. So let's take a look at this beautiful control surface.
And then that's your control surface.
So you can see this is the 4-stripe IP series control surface. This is going to give us the ability to control the VMC1 system. You can see we've got a couple systems set up here on our monitor. We got a quad split over here. We're showing the VMC, we're showing the 3-play, the talk show device, all the sources that are in our switcher in the VMC1. It's all coming via NDI. So we're using devices like the Panasonic PTZ cameras. We've got the NewTek PTZ1 camera working over here. These are both connected using a Cat6 Ethernet cable plugged into our Ubiquity switch, which has PoE, so it can actually power those devices all over the single network connection. So we're getting power, control, video, audio all over Ethernet, all over the network. So that's the beauty of NDI. We've got the hardware implementations of NDI HX in these cameras. But another really cool piece of the puzzle, let's actually go over to the JVC camera that's connected to the Connect Spark Pro.
That's my card. Let me give you a
So this is really, really cool. This camera outputs 1080p signal. It's got an HDMI output. We're actually feeding the NewTek Connect Spark Pro. And so this gives us the ability to take in this HDMI signal and convert it to NDI. So you'll see, if you want to come up close, Chris, you'll see we've got an HDMI input coming in here, and then we've got an Ethernet cable connected to the device as well. So we're actually taking this full camera signal out in as HDMI, converting to NDI, and it lives on our network. So if we want to go find that source, it looks like on our TC1, we've got input 9 coming in with that camera source. So that's, again, almost zero latency with NDI, living on the network. It's being shared across all of the different systems. So all of these devices are able to interconnect using NDI. So that's the beauty of these NewTek systems, and again, just NDI in general. But when we're talking about end-to-end workflow, the cameras are all NDI, so nothing is plugged in via SDI. And even our output, we're utilizing NDI. So we actually have a bird dog rocking over here. So if we take a look, this is a bird dog studio NDI device. We've got NDI, or let's say Ethernet, sitting on our network, getting powered by our switch. And then we're actually using an HDMI output out of the bird dog, and it's decoding the NDI signal back to HDMI. And so we're able to get a full end-to-end workflow using NDI. So a lot of cool stuff. We're doing a full redesign of our facility in East Rutherford. You'll see all of this and more working. So give us a call. You have any questions, you want to get a demonstration, we're happy to help. So thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching.